New Brighton Ford. Quality selection, exceptional customer service, and a great price too. Let the friendly professionals at New Brighton Ford help you get into your next vehicle today.
Always inspiring and infinitely empowering, the Ford Fusion refuses to fit the four-door sedan mold. You'll find excellent driving dynamics and agile handling thanks to innovative features that inspire confidence and ramp up your driving fun. Choose from 5 models, starting with the S and moving through the top-of-the-line Platinum. Choice is what makes the Fusion different. In addition to the standard 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, Fusion now has 3 turbocharged direct-injected EcoBoost engine options. Add paddle shifters to control the drive and maximize your Fusion's efficiency. The cabin is tech-savvy with available voice-activated Sync 3 technology to keep you entertained and connected. The standard rear-view camera helps you see things you might otherwise miss. No matter what model you choose, your Fusion helps keep you safe. It got a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety named it a top safety pick. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories, and build a Fusion that's all yours. The Ford Fusion. Step up and stand out.
At New Brighton Ford, you'll never pay too much, and we'll do everything we can to make sure you drive away in the vehicle that's right for you. If it's service, selection, and value you're after, then New Brighton Ford is the place to shop. Stop in today. We're easy to find at the intersection of Highway 694 and Silver Lake Road in New Brighton. It's where our customers send their family and friends.